Guys, welcome to the next episode 14. Learn Adalo no code step by step. Beginners immediate no programming video part 4. Alright, so we got editing, we got deleting, we got creation, we got an app. Now we can make it more beautiful and make the app a little bit more comfortable. And that's really up to you. But I don't want to waste all your time. So I want to just let you see what we've done. You can see that pretty much the app, we run it, it does what it's supposed to do. Is it perfect? No, not at all. Text note. See, this lets you see the text note, or delete the text note, or edit the text note. Bookmark notes, let you delete, edit. That link was a little funny right next to it, but hey, we're not trying to make beautiful today. We're just trying to make functional. Alright, and then we got credential notes, and you can see that we can delete just as much, and we can edit just as much, in case you go, oh, you didn't test all of them. I did test, I know that will work. $1 is that reliable. Alright, so, and here we can create our thing again. New text note, new bookmark note, new credential notes. We got all that. We got pretty much the whole application done. We're pretty happy. We still got our profile thing there. It's awesome. We still use that. So pretty much this is a wrap. I think I'm really thankful that you guys came along for this journey to make this simple app. If you want any other apps, if you need any other apps, well, I'm not going to write it for you, but if you want me to go over a type of app development and it's not crazy, let me know. We can look at it. I'll be coming up with new series to allow you to do more things and even come up with better designs and help you. I'm probably going to go over in the next series over components in detail. Talk about components, how we use the components, how one component can be used for another component, how we can do things on our app to accomplish different things, because you can do a lot of things on an app. You use the app store, you have your own iPhone, your own Android or whatever, and there's all kinds of apps. Well, a lot of those apps, most of those apps we can design, so it's just whatever we come up with. So I hope this helped you out. I hope that this gave you a good head start in understanding things. There will be other actually videos, so I'll be talking about how to build components. What? Components? Yeah, how to build them yourself. It's quite a challenge. And that does require some coding skills. So for those of you who don't want to do any coding skills, don't need to go to those videos. But we'll be doing more videos. Maybe we'll come up with different kind of videos other than notes. Maybe like a sharing app to share stuff with others, or maybe a chat app to chat with others. Really, it's going to be up to whatever I come up with or whatever you tell me in the comments. So, alright guys, I hope that this was useful to you. Again, I hope that you see how easy it is to put things together. And yeah, man, and if you sign up with Adalo, it costs $50, I believe. And then you can build your own app and you can submit it to the Android store and the iOS store, and pretty much make whatever you want. But I know that this is not going to be the end, because I can make these pretty quick. So I'll see you in the next video, guys. Awesome. No coding is awesome. See you guys, and everybody can do it. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully, this is getting interesting. It's going to be interesting, and it's going to be useful for you creating your own personal app and good experience. And I will try my best to give the details so that you don't leave yourself any kind of confusion. But if you like this video and you like the other videos, please like, subscribe, suggest, share, and I'll see you in the next video. Yeah.